Hey there, this is Brad from the Garage Mahal 3D printing channel. Got some neat stuff here today. Made a little project. This is supposed to be a cigar ashtray. Now, not my design. I got it off of Maker World. So it looks like it's going to be this just amazing, good cigar ashtray. Really more like a cigarette ashtray, I think. So anyway, I printed it, and you can see where some of the support structure was, because it was printed like that, and that was to keep the overhang from doing anything crazy. Wasn't a big fan of that, but still, this is really nice. I'll give it to a buddy that smokes cigarettes or something like that. It's kind of cool. So the material is Bamboo Labs PLA Wood. There's actually wood powder in this filament, so when it is printing you actually smell the wood. It's pretty crazy. It's kind of interesting. So I took that design and scaled it up 195% to this one, and this, as you can see, there's my finger, there's a thumb, good size. This is actually like correct and real size for a cigar ashtray. So I actually, for the first time, decided to use the Bamboo Labs PLA filament support for PLA and PETG filament. So what that does, it uses the traditional filament like the PLA if you're printing PLA, but then a few layers of interface. It's actually this special support material. So here you can see the raft right there. Show you what it looks like underneath. You see that? So this just lifts off really quick. Look at that. And see that clear material there, that layer is the support filament. And look how clean that edge is, right? I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, we'll get that out of the way. And then let's bring the base in. Oh, by the way, look at that. I printed that in the Glow, the PLA Glow filament, so it does truly glow in the dark. It is absolutely crazy. Cigars and race cars. I wondered about that. So anyway, you put the lid on, and there we go. Kind of cool, right? So, oh yeah, here's the original. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference. All right, hey, hit like if you like the content, and subscribe if you want to see more. All right, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.